action was just, yo, how much? Okay, actually it's pretty chill. Yeah, because action is just pretty fucking washed. So I have taken a trade today, and it was a loss, but I'm totally fine with it, especially due to my size. Down $50, so unbelievably chill. And I thought the trade was good, so I'm just back from the fucking sauna. That's why I'm like this. But I wanted to just get everything out of my head before I fucking move on with my day. So basically, we're in this 4 hour. Swipe by side here. Then we ran through this. There was a 30-minute here we ran through. So I was like, okay, the draw's lower. Fair value gap. Swept liquidity. Displacement down. I zoomed in. And if you see, it was just I got stop rated essentially, and then it ran in my favor. So I'm happy with the trade because one, the direction was right, and two, this is just horrible chop market conditions. We're just respecting and disrespecting certain fair value gaps. If we run up here, we should really take this high, and even this, it kind of made equal highs here. So really choppy. Risked $50. I'm so fucking chill with that. I don't think I'll make any more trades unless there's like some serious opportunity, which potentially there might be like right now. Because we are now retracing up to this hourly inverse here. Because we've still generated more sell side. We've now just swiped liquidity. What I'd like to see. See, look at this chop. This is what happens on No News fucking Monday. My fucking posture, bro. I need to up my monitors. I can't keep straight and look down. It's annoying. Yeah, lots of all these lows we're creating is all just sell side liquidity getting generated. See if we have a interesting. We're in a 4 hour fair value gap as well. I'd like to start to see a rollover to the downside. Notice how we've just got a nice big 5-minute here. If we continue to hold this and head lower, I might try and see if there's any sort of model. To be fair, we've just swept some buy side up here. But yeah, I don't want to overtrade on this day. Like down $50, I could very easily end the day like that. But that's the thing. I knew it was going to be a No News Monday. I knew conditions were going to be scuffed. I literally thought that trade I took, that situation, I literally was like, I'm going to take this with low size, but I'm pretty sure it's going to lose. Just because, one, conditions, and two, okay, realistically, should I have made the trade in the first place? It's a tricky one because I do think it was a good setup and I was not risking much, so yes, but should in the future I adopt maybe just don't trade at all and just, that $50 is, that's still $50 I could have saved, so I don't know. Either way, yes, right now, retracing into this hourly. If we run through this, potentially the draw's higher. If we hold this is an interesting point. Again, buy side's been swept here. Generated the sell side here. More generated sell side. Just horrible choppy action. Like, this is technically equal lows. But yeah, I will also add to the end of this video the draw on liquidity for tomorrow. Let's check. Actually, I'll check news when I do that. But yeah, just what stops people from blowing up and from being successful, or what people should do is, it's not about when you win and how big you win and how consistently you win. It's how big and consistent your losses are. Your losses should always be small, always. you can have multiple small losses, that's chill, but then you're gonna get to an over trading problem. You should never have a big loss. Okay, in my case, you know, I might lose, I don't know, $300 in a day max. That's with my full contract side, and that's sticking to very good habits. Whereas I can make on a big green day, I can make like a K. So I don't know, but I think that's what us problem people have is they overtrade and they use too much size and they don't recognize conditions like this No News Monday where everything skits. And they just blow up because they overtrade and over leverage because they think they know what's going on when even the fucking market doesn't know what's going on. It's got like a mind of its own in these conditions. So yeah, very happy with today so far. Good habits. First proper day of my masters as well, so lectures were chill. Yeah. I will resume this if I somehow have a trade in the next 5 minutes, but otherwise I'm probably gonna step away, make some food, maybe do a different YouTube video. And then yeah, obviously draw on liquidity for tomorrow. Yo, okay. So potential trade here. I did like this 1 minute inverse. The reason I didn't take it, I'll explain in a second though. So obviously 4 hour SMT bullish inverse gets completely run through to the downside, so the trade really would be, you know, something like this. The reason I didn't take it is because ES is currently in this 5 minute and we could very easily just bounce to the upside. I want to see us close below here on the 5 minute, and then I know that this is the draw. So yeah, if anything there might be a bullish trade going on right now because we're in this 5 minute, but I kind of don't want to see this 5 minute hold. I don't really want to see any more bullish action. Yeah, I don't wanna take it on NQ without that closure on ES, because this isn't enough displacement to know we're going lower yet. It's just chop, it's still just chop. But once we close below this on the 5, yeah, more probable this is the draw, which means more probable this is the draw on NQ. So yeah, just gotta wait. And as we can see, the 5 minutes holding. So if I would have entered, I would have been like, fuck, ES is in the 5 minute, why didn't I? You gotta look at both. I do like this 1 minute here though. I'm now thinking I might, if I was to trade it on ES. Because NQ's action, it's not scuffed, but there's so much low resistance liquidity, which I do not like. Whereas ES has got a clear draw. It's much clearer. And this 5 minute could act as a nice inverse as well. Potentially, because it's a Monday, even if we do break below this 5, we could just reverse back up and for some reason go and take buy side, but I'm gonna trade my model and use low size, and yeah, I don't really give a fuck. Just watching this dude actually. You posted 30 minutes ago saying you made a trade. I don't know, did he go over it? Was it the SMT short, was it? Brother, what the fuck was that? Do I comment on this? Bro had a crazy stop. Bro. Okay. Right, here we go. Starting to get some more action now. Starting to displays. Notice how there's no fucking fair value gaps. Maybe this one here. Which low key I quite like on NQ. But still need that closure on ES. NQ, obviously SMT. Holding the 1 minute inverse nicely. Yes, holding the 5 though. We got 2 different draws right now. If we're bullish and we hold this, we expect this to be the draw and then this. So we can't take shorts on NQ when ES has got higher draw. It's just illogical and like really bad trading. You're not taking into account different factors. Like, you gotta fucking wait. I don't like how it's getting nearly to 5. I might call it a day at 5. So if nothing presents itself in 10 minutes, I'm gonna fuck off and eat and do some other shit, because this is like getting a bit too late. Okay, getting some volume down now. Is ES gonna close above this 5? Next candle opens at 55, so see if there's an embedded fair value gap on a different time frame. Yeah, there is. There's a 3 minute. You can use this as well. It's the same thing. 2 minute, 1 minute. No, 3 minutes. Good. We'll use this 3 minute because the next one opens up at 51. Yeah, that's kind of how you can use fair value gaps as well. So you can just keep kind of zooming in, and the way the algorithm works is you have a 4-hour fair value gap. There technically will be a point, even on the 15-second, which is super reactive in that. So that's what I've done there. That 5 minute has a 3 minute embedded into it, which will be more reactive. For example, that's why this candle's done that. But you need to know when to use higher time frames with fair value gaps, because a smaller fair value gap getting ran through isn't as powerful as a bigger fair value gap getting ran through, but the smaller fair value gap will tell you first, obviously, because the bigger time frame needs more time. So basically, if you can find a nice sweet spot where it's the low enough time frame that you catch it before the big enough time frame has to, but it's a big enough time frame that it's validating the draw, basically. I had this, I can't really be asked to whip up the example, but basically, when traders make a lot of money from large moves, that's normally what they're doing, is using the lower time frame to predict / guess what the larger time frame is going to do. I don't like doing that because I don't like guessing. I like knowing, or most probable thinking. But in this situation, I'm not waiting till 55. 3 minutes still as suitable. Okay, NQ bouncing up to this 1 minute that was just created. Which we're holding, which is nice. Still holding this 3 minute. It's horrible fucking action today. Ew. What my trade will be is if you break below this 3 minute, it'll be one of these things. That's what I'll be expecting. And then potentially even more. A stop will probably be this high, maybe over here. if there's even an opportunity. What I'll do is I'll enter 2. Ooh, see, that technically is a break. It technically is a break. I'm gonna enter 2 limit there, and then 1 limit a bit higher just to get a better feel. There we go. Potentially a fake out break because it was so fucking tight, but I'm still chill with that. Stop's gonna be, I don't want to see us invalidate this 1 minute up here. So for that reason, I'm gonna put my stop at this high, risking $87 here. How much would this make? 100. Short is this. I'll take 1 con off here, 1 con off here, and then 1 con off all the way down here. Don't give a fuck what the price does. Okay, realistically, this 5 minute closure is a bit more important than 3 minutes, as I just said. But I still like the model here. And Q still holding that 1 minute. The reason why I took on ES is obviously because this confirmation of this. NQ is not pretty at all right now. But yeah, risking $87, so even if this loses, that's me done for the day, and I'll be down like $130, seriously minor. I do expect this to lose. It's a no news Monday. I'm not expecting this to win, but I see my edge, I see my draw. Taking it with low size. Why the fuck not? The reason why I wouldn't normally do this on a normal day, put 1 limit there, 1 minute there. I mean, maybe I would, but in this situation is because it's a no news skits ass Monday. I can't be asked for it to swipe this and not swipe this for some reason in reverse. So I'm gonna account for that. 1 contract on each, and then 1 contract on the external. I could obviously, you know, if it was a proper day, I'd have loads of limits down here as well, but it's a fucking Monday, only in 3 contracts. I don't need to catch a crazy move. So yeah, let's fucking... This is good actually, because this is a live ass trade, so you can also see my thought process and shit. Are we closed below that feather leg up on the 5? No, not yet. Getting some nice displacement down now. Holding the 1 on NQ though. The tightest stop you could do is if this 1 minute got disrespected. So the tightest stop I could have is this, 65. But I'm gonna have it here at 80. Is there any... Oh my god, this is such skit action, bro. Fucking hell. This also gives there a chance that we could come to this 1 minute, swipe out this for a turtle soup, and then head lower. But I'm taking the 3 minute inverse. If we can close below it on the 5 in 2 minutes, then we definitely will. Then so likely will drop. I'll be real. Let's get some music on for this trade. Win or lose, I don't give a fuck. Oh wait, will I get banned off YouTube there? Oh, that's true. Need to drop soon because there's 5 minutes going to close in a minute. If we hold this 5 minute and we don't close it below it again, I'm probably going to move my stop even more and account for risk, because this is horrible conditions and we should not be holding this 5 minute for this long. Okay, this is a very crucial point in time. Do we close below the 5 in the next 20 seconds? Holding this 1 minute on NQ. 10 seconds, do we close below it? It's very close. Ooh, looks like it will. Close below it on the 5, there we go. So then now you can take even more trades. I would scale in if it was a normal day, but because it's a no news Monday, I'm not going to. But this is a really good sign that we've broken below that 5. I would want this 5 to be now an inverse. I wouldn't want to see us break through this. So now I'm going to move my stop just a little bit, not much, just down to this high here. So risking 57, so the max loss I could have on the day is $100. The reason for this is we should respect this 5 minute inverse and this 3 minute inverse. If we do come up here, there's still one more chance we could turtle soup, hold this 1 minute and go lower. So I've put it just above that. And then when we displace even more, I'll probably put it to this high. But yeah, it's also 5, so like, I don't know, we could stop and I could definitely still like get stopped right now. Like price could not respect this 5 minute inverse and just be skits as fuck, but you gotta account for risk. That's the name of the game. Work out what's going on and play your cards right, basically. Obviously, because I've taken on ES, it's cheaper than NQ, so on NQ this would probably be like, I'd probably be at, I don't know, $40 now maybe. Maybe it's like double. Big drop. Yeah, nice selling pressure here, which is good. Yes, disrespecting that 1 minute, which is good, so I expect, you know, draw to be lower. Gonna move my stop even more now. I don't want to put it at the high, because we could obviously come up and sweep this, but I don't think we will. So I'm actually just gonna stick it at the high there. We're seeing $42 now. This will probably set me just break even these trades, because I doubt like going off observation, I observe and I think these potentially could hit. Not sure about this one. I might see if there's a bigger imbalance I could target. There's actually nothing. There's literally nothing. Good thing to do is accept losses. Like, I literally accepted this as a loss. In my mind, yeah, if I end the day minus what, so I'll be minus less than 100, I'll be minus $90 off a good habit. Like, I would have risk managed well. I would have taken a setup that I liked. I was patient. I stuck to my 2 trades a day, stuck to my leverage of the day. That's a fucking great day. Yeah, I literally I'm trying to just disassociate myself from the outcome so much. Like, the money is not a thing in my brain. It's what am I looking at right now? What's going on? And I know how to recognize market conditions and when to drop size. The whole reason I'm in 3 contracts here is because I think that potentially this could reverse on me and stop me out for how do I put this? It's more likely to stop me out when it shouldn't on a normal, optimal, efficient trading day. So I've accounted for the fact that it could reverse on me when it shouldn't normally by lowering my size and risk managing. When the first, or if the first TP hits up, I'll stop to break even. I'm gonna make some food. So nice sell off here. Potentially we might come retrace into this 5-minute inverse. I expect us to drop right now, actually. Literally right now. We're in this 1 minute. And we're respecting it. It's all about draw on liquidity. On a micro scale, this draw on liquidity is this low. So it's just going to keep going down. Obviously, if this broke through, then this could act as inverse, and then, you know, bounce off this 3-minute and bounce off the 5-minute. And then that's when, like, if I was super gonna micromanage this, I could be like, any sort of bullish behavior, I'm gonna take it off. But I'm gonna call it like defenses. I've got a 3-minute inverse here as defense. I've got a 5-minute inverse here as defense. And I don't give a fuck about the loss, like a $40. I'm gonna reduce it even more now to here. Now I'm risking $31. So I'd be losing 50, like 80 odd dollars. It's minor. I might keep note of NQ though. I don't want to see any SMTs. Okay, got a nice 3-minute. So this is a good example. I don't want to see this 3-minute get ran through on NQ. If this gets ran through on NQ to the upside, I probably would take off my position. Because 3 minutes, 1, quite significant, and 2, it looks like we're generating liquidity here for later. So if we close above this, on a 3-minute, I'm going to take this position off. Similarly, actually, we have a 3-minute on. Is that 5-minute? No. Yeah, similarly, there's a 3-minute on ES as well. Fucking. But yeah, either one of these 3 minutes. See, this is so inefficient price, bro. This should already have stopped me out or TP'd me. Like, this is so inefficient. Let me move my stop a bit more. Risking $16 right now. Still be patient. This could still reverse. You don't know if it's gonna form equal lows. Don't fucking ego this shit, bruv. You don't know. That's why I'm reducing my stop. Account for risk. Account for that shit. It's a fucking no news Monday. On this occasion, though. Oh, I was about to call it. There you go, TP hit, stop the break even. So look at that. No way I would have called it if it swipes this and reverses. No way. If it does that, that's literally rigged. Okay, it didn't. I'm leaving my last one, obviously. Set my take profit down here. Yo, we are dumping now. Don't give a fuck. It's a no news Monday. I'm not using more size. So I was down 50. I'm up 11. And if this gets stopped, I'll be up like 13. And if I win, I'll be up 100. So, yeah. That was done fucking live as well. Hold that. Yeah, I'm gonna let this run. Go get some food. 2 trades done for the day. I'm just gonna journal this and then, yeah. Hard. Alright, so we'll just review the trade now. It's over and I'm back. So, TP1, TP2 hit. No, clock how I so nearly got stopped to break even. That is probably just luck. There wasn't a set reason why, I think that's happened. That was a bit lucky, I'll be real, but I'm not going to complain. Obviously, if I had more contracts on a bigger day, I'd probably, like I said earlier, scale more out here and these lows. But as it's a no news Monday, I was only in 3 contracts, so my lightest size. But no, happy with the day. It was down 50 on my first trade in the morning. Second trade took me out of break even. And then the runner, because there's only in 1 contract, the runner of the second trade has made me 100 on both my accounts. So 200 made today. Pretty chill. So no news Monday. Like, what can you expect? I'm not gonna complain about that. Just saw Justin's Instagram. And he didn't even take a trade, which is fair. Like, action was washed today. But yeah, later, in a couple hours, I'll do the draw and liquidity for tomorrow. Get all set up. But no, great day, good habits. Actually, phenomenal trade. I'll be real. I'm gonna be proud of myself on this one. This SMT really did show the narrative in this 4-hour. Big sell-off, good entry, good scale. Another good TP. Yeah, just good trade. Stuck to all my rules, great day. Now I'm gonna go and fucking chill, to be honest. I got some uni shit to do for tomorrow, but it's minor. But yeah. Don't know how long this video's even been, seeing as like I recorded so many different things today, but yeah, it's hard. Alright, let's do the draw for tomorrow. So I've another sick day. I'm actually gonna just low-key remove all my drawings, because I drew a lot of fucking shit today. Let's just start with a fresh chart. Let's just check news real quick. So, Tuesday. Okay, no proper news, all just bullshit. So, no news Tuesday. Different to a no news Monday, obviously. But, how significant? I don't know. Potentially might use some more light size here. Maybe max 3 contracts again. No, I think I'll use full size. But depending on what I see tomorrow. If it's like horrible action, I won't. But it's not too deep. I haven't got enough data to work out if a no news Tuesday. But it's also after a no news Monday, so it's like a little bit scuffed. Okay. In a weekly fair value gap here. Daily, we've obviously swiped this buy side level. Haven't yet rebalanced some of these dailies. Relevant buy side, relevant sell side. We're just kind of chopping in a range right now. 4 hour. We're failing to displace higher. So automatically more bearish here. Also held a more recent 4 hour as well. Yeah. So I'd most likely be expecting a continuation lower to come and wipe out this sell side. This is all low resistance to me. They should all get swiped in the same move. In my opinion. So what I'd want to see is this hourly hold. We open tomorrow at 8. This hourly to hold, potentially form some sort of buy model and then head down lower. That's what I'll be looking for. Might do an embedded 15 here as well. Okay, let's check. CFC ES is the same. Yeah, we've got clear sell side level here. Oh, well, clear sell side. Rejecting the 4 hour. And obviously this mini 4 hour. Selling off the exact same as NQ. I'd want to see this hourly hold. If it doesn't hold, you work our way back up, we could potentially see this buy side level if we run through this. But otherwise, if we hold this, I'm expecting again the draw to be lower. So quite nice chart actually. So I think I will be using, let me just put that in my journal. Using full size max 6 cons, only 2 trades in the day. Scale in, start with 3, scale to 6. What I might start with 2, scale to 6. Alright, that's my draw on liquidity. Let's have a fucking sick day tomorrow. Stick to the good habits. Yeah. In a bit. Oh, yo, you can see my editing shit.